Animoto Video Maker tutorial. So this is a simple and easy steps about Animoto Video Maker. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Animoto, and then this is what it looks like. This is their homepage. You can scroll down to see more information about this. And to get started, you just have to click this get started free and then create a free account, add your email, your password. But for me, the easiest way is to continue with Google. So what will you be using Animoto for? Personal, business, education, everything is up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna click this personal use. Okay, tap this one. And then after that, it will take you directly to the Animoto dashboard or homepage. And this is what it looks like. So let's have an overview of the features inside the dashboard. So first, with this upgrade feature right here. So in this section, you can choose your plan. You can see here basic, you can see here professional and professional plus. You can differentiate its features. And if you want to upgrade your plan, let's just say you want to use this feature right here under Professional Plus, then all you have to do is to click Upgrade Plan and then proceed to the payment section. Okay, and then once you have unlocked this, and then you can use these features. Now let's go back to our dashboard. So if you tap your profile at the top right corner, you can see your projects, accounts, help, and log out. So if you tap projects right here, you can probably see all the projects that you have created. So as you can see, I haven't created any project right now, and I haven't saved any templates. Later, maybe you can or I can create one and I can go to project to see. For profile, if you want to edit your profile, like your email address and so on, you just have to go to settings. For email preferences, if you want to be notified always with the latest update, then you can turn this one on. If you don't want, then tap this do not send any emails and proceed. So for help, if you encounter some problems or if you encounter any difficulties when using Animoto, then you can simply go to the help section and submit a ticket or request. Also, if you want to clarify some things or FAQs, then you can go to this help center or help section here in Animoto. Okay, as you can see, if you tap this submit a request, then basically you can be very specific with your concern. You just have to add your email address, your message. You can upload a file here as a proof that you are encountering or you're facing this kind of problem, and then after that, tap submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this issue. Now going back to our dashboard, at the top left side, you can see here your workspace. And if you want to invite someone, you just have to click this person icon and then have a collaboration or invite him or her to your dashboard or project. So to create a video, you have three options here: use your template, make a slideshow, or start from scratch. So let's just say we're going to start from scratch. Okay, and then first, of course, you have to choose a theme here. And then there is a step, choose a theme, ratio, and then you can now start with your editing or you can skip all. So to start, here's a step, just choose a theme, ratio, and then you can create or upload a video right here and then start. But before we proceed with creating a video from scratch, I'm going to show you an overview if you tap make a slideshow. So basically, these are the features and video style if you tap make a slideshow, but not all of these features are for free. As you can see, if you tap this design right here and you see this color yellow pro, that means you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this design. The good thing about using their slideshows is that you can browse by category like popular, kids, school, party, wedding, travel, holiday, memorial, or you can tap all. Okay, so that's it. Now, what you're going to do is you have to click one. For example, if you chose this design right here to make a slideshow, then this is what it looks like. So you can just simply change the style, you can add a logo, you can add logo animation. So it's important that you have your file with you. like logos, everything here is ready. You can add pics and vids. All you have to do is to upload it. But if you have these pictures on your Facebook, on your Dropbox, and all you have to do is to click this and simply add or import these videos and pics. Also with the add text, you can also add another song and add song right here. But for other features, you need to upgrade your plan. So basically, those are the features if you use Slideshow. Now let's move on to template. If you use their templates, as you can see, there are tons of templates that you can use this, and here are recommended for you. Holidays, new, popular. You can also see here type of template, ads, Amazon promo, behind the scenes, celebration, demo, education. And if you can't see that type of template here, you can basically search for that. For example, if you're looking for templates for Christmas, because you will be making a video for Christmas presentation, something like that. So as you can see, there are tons of templates here that you can use, but again, some are free, some are not. So let's go back to start from scratch, and here is your media library. If you want to import your videos and pictures, just go here. If you want to use their stock images, and you can just simply go here and then search for the specific, for example, keyword or category. Or if you're looking for vintage shoes, then you can see here videos about or related to vintage shoes. And if you tap this favorites, then all favorites are added here. Okay, you can also filter this with media types and ratio. Okay, and all of the result will appear right here. So now I'm going to upload a video. So let me go back to project and then upload videos right here. Tap this one. I can upload from any of the option, but I just want to add videos from my computer or device, and these are my videos. In order for you to use this, feel free to drag media here. Okay, and probably you will see the result. Okay, so for example, I will be selling vintage shoes. So I'm going to make a video show or video for my business. Okay, so above here are the features and options, such as if you want to change the ratio, if you want to add its style, you can tap this pencil icon. Then you can choose your theme design right here. But I'm going to tell you that these themes are not for free. If you choose any of this theme right here, then probably you will see the Animoto watermark, okay, like this. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use one of their themes. Okay, so let me choose one. And then for text, you can just simply change the font style here, the text style. Just go to this pencil icon and you can change your edit format right here. Okay, also if you want to add music or sound, feel free to tap the music icon, and you can add or you can upload a music if you want, and you can also add a voiceover if you want. So feel free to explore for your audio, for example this one right here. And you can also filter the result. You can search for a specific keyword or any song or audio that you want, and you can filter that right here. And then after that, you will see the audio below your video, and feel free to add to favorites or play it before you add it. To add, just click this plus icon and that audio will be added right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the result and there is watermark. But while you edit this, you can see the watermark. So let's just proceed with our editing. Now for this layout, you can change the layout, you can change the background color, you can also add text right here, subtitle, quote, everything is up to you. And then below here, below the text icon, you can change text style. Okay, you can increase the font or the font size, and then you can also change the alignment right here. Okay, also the visibility, position, and so on. So let me drag it up here. And then if you want to add media frames, you can click this one, add media frame, insert a photo if you want, and you can also add elements if you want. So basically this is the result, and you can change the background anytime if you wanted to. So that's it. Now you can also add another video again, so feel free to drag it and then do the same thing. You just have to change the background color, if you want to change the layout, if you want to add text, if you want to add frames, and if you want to add element, just tap these icons on the left side. Okay, so this is the result. And then if you want to upload videos again, just go to projects and then upload. And also the same thing, if you want to delete a specific video or media, you can just simply click and you will see a delete icon. You can decrease the time to make it shorter. It's okay, then tap exit, and then this is the result. So basically this is what it looks like. Just never mind the watermark. So if you really want to use Animoto, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this, but let me tell you, everything is worth it. Okay, it's very easy, it's good for beginners, and all you have to do is to add your videos and do a little edit to your video. So basically that's how easy it is to know or to learn Animoto Video Maker. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.